Happy Monday, everybody. Welcome to Macro Monday. And the title today is Keto Your Way. It's more flexible than you think. Hi, I'm Dr. Rose Petrilla, the Primal Professor, and this is your Daily Spoonful, a quick dose of low-carb truth to fuel your day. A quick dose of low-carb truth to fuel your day. People think keto means only bacon, butter, and beef. But here's the truth. Keto is a metabolic state, not a food list. You can reach ketosis with different food styles. Love seafood and olive oil? Go Mediterranean keto. Prefer steak and eggs? That's carnivore. Want more variety? Ketovore combines the best of both. There's even dairy-free, plant-heavy, or culturally inspired versions. The key, keep carbs low, protein adequate, and fats high enough to keep you satisfied. So here's your little nudge. Don't let someone else's version of keto box you in. Customize your keto to your preferences, your culture, and your health needs. So hit subscribe and check out my playlist, Keto Basics, for more tools to build your perfect plan. I'm Dr. Rose Petrilla, the Primal Professor, and remember, keto isn't a diet you follow, it's a tool you use.